episode of Samuel's Adventures. Today, we're in sunny Sydney, and our energetic explorer Samuel is already off to a playground near the beach. It's not just any playground, but a beachfront one with an outdoor fitness area. Can you feel Samuel's excitement as he jumps onto the zigzag balance beam? Did you know these fun contraptions help develop his balance and coordination? That's a playground fun fact for you. Samuel to his next favorite spot, the beach. Have you ever played the footprint game? Samuel loves it. He hops from one footprint to another as if he's on a hidden treasure trail. Oh, look at that, a flock of birds. Samuel is trying to catch them, but it seems these feathery friends are a bit too quick for him. Did you know some of these birds can fly up to 50 miles per hour? That's faster than a car in the city. Swimsuit when you've got the ocean at your feet. Samuel splashes around in the shallow water, the waves lapping at his toes. He's fascinated by the water swirling around the rocks. Ever wondered about those holes in the rocks? They're actually caused by tiny marine creatures in a process called bioerosion. Mother Nature sure does work in mysterious ways. What's this? Samuel has found a Rubik's Cube. Watch as he twists and turns it, trying to match the colors. Did you know this popular puzzle was invented by a professor to help explain 3D geometry? Now, it's loved by millions around the world. Goes Samuel, drawn to the sparkling waves. He jumps and splashes, soaking up every moment of his beach adventure. Over there, a danger sign warns of strong currents. But with Sydney's world-class lifeguard team keeping a watchful eye, Samuel is safe. Isn't it amazing how these lifeguards train for years to keep beachgoers safe? Casting an orange glow over the beach, Samuel finally starts to wind down. It's been a day full of exploration, learning, and laughter, but every adventure must come to an end, and so must ours. Samuel waves goodbye to the sea, the birds, and the playground. But don't worry, he'll be back for another exciting day. For today's episode. Friends, stay tuned for more of Samuel's beach adventures, playground discoveries, and fun learning experiences. This is Samuel's Adventures, signing off until next time. Bye!